Welcome, young designers, to another creative adventure with Junior Design. Today, we are going to explore an exciting technique called word cloud. But what exactly is it, and how is it done? Let's find out. The word cloud is an art and design technique that relies on the use of words and their dimensions to create a visually appealing image. This technique can be used to express concepts, create works of art, or simply to have fun with words. But how do you build a word cloud? Well, you don't need much to get started. You'll need a pen and paper. Start by writing a series of words or phrases that are related to the theme or idea you want to portray. You can vary the size of the words according to the importance or emotion you want to communicate. They can be arranged randomly or follow a specific shape. Here's a practical example. Imagine you want to create a word cloud representing the concept of nature. Write down words such as trees, flowers, sun, water, and those that come to mind. Words such as green and life can be written larger to emphasize their importance. You can arrange them in a circular fashion, like the world or in the shape of a tree to give a sense of organization. The final challenge for you is to create your own word cloud on a topic you are passionate about. Choose a topic, write the words on a sheet of paper, and play with the dimensions to make your word cloud visually interesting. Share your work with us. We are curious to see what you will create. Thank you for joining us on this design adventure. Remember, be bold, be creative, be junior designers. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next adventures. See you soon.